Challenges faced by businesses in implementing GST in India. Compliance complexity. 1. Multiple returns filing. GST requires businesses to file multiple returns such as GSTR1 for outward supplies, GSTR3B summary return, and others. Managing and filing these returns accurately and on time can be challenging, especially for small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. 2. Invoice matching and reconciliation. The requirement for invoice matching and reconciliation between purchases and sales invoices under GST can be time-consuming and complex, leading to potential errors and mismatches. 3. IT infrastructure and connectivity. Businesses need robust IT infrastructure and reliable internet connectivity to comply with GST requirements such as online return filing, invoice uploading, and communication with the GSTN portal. Poor connectivity in some areas can hinder compliance efforts. Transitionary challenges. 1. System and process adaptation. Adapting existing accounting systems, processes, and software to comply with GST regulations requires time, resources, and training. Businesses may face challenges in updating their systems and ensuring compliance with new requirements. 2. Understanding GST concepts. Understanding the concepts and provisions of GST, such as input tax credit, ITC, place of supply rules, and tax rates, can be complex for businesses, especially those operating across multiple states or engaged in diverse business activities. Cash flow impact. 1. Working capital management. GST requires businesses to pay taxes on their purchases upfront, even if the corresponding sales revenue is yet to be realized. This can impact working capital management, especially for businesses with long cash conversion cycles. 2. Delayed input tax credit, ITC, refunds. Delayed processing and disbursement of input tax credit, ITC, refunds by tax authorities can tie up working capital and affect cash flow for businesses, particularly exporters and those in sectors with high ITC accumulation. Increased compliance costs. 1. Professional fees and training. Engaging tax consultants, accountants, and professionals for GST compliance, training employees, and investing in IT infrastructure upgrades can increase compliance costs for businesses, particularly small and medium enterprises, SMEs. 2. Penalties and non-compliance risks. Non-compliance with GST regulations can result in penalties, fines, and legal repercussions for businesses. Ensuring accurate and timely compliance requires continuous monitoring, which adds to the compliance burden. Sector-specific challenges. 1. Complex supply chains. Businesses with complex supply chains, such as those in the manufacturing, trading, and logistics sectors, may face challenges in tracking and reconciling transactions across multiple stages and locations. 2. Industry-specific issues. Certain industries, such as real estate, healthcare, and financial services, have specific GST-related challenges related to tax treatment, exemptions, and compliance requirements, which may require sector-specific expertise.